Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. If you're diving into databases or learning backend development, you'll definitely need MySQL on your Windows 10 PC. Today, I'll show you how to download and install MySQL step by step, even if you're a total beginner. First, open your browser and search for MySQL Community Downloads, or go to dev.mysql.com/downloads/installer. On the download page, choose the Windows installer, 64-bit. You'll see two versions. Pick the one labeled Web Installer if you want a lighter download. Then click Download. Now, run the installer. It'll check your system for required software like Visual Studio tools. If anything's missing, it'll offer to install it for you. Choose Developer Default. This installs MySQL Server, Workbench, and other useful tools. Click Next, and proceed through the steps. Set up your root password. Make sure you remember it. Then choose Standard Configuration unless you have specific needs. After the installation completes, launch MySQL Workbench and test the connection. And that's it. You've installed MySQL successfully on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.